Hi guys, in this class let us try to know why 0 factorial is equals to 1. We know that 0 has no value, then why it is equals to 1. Let's see. Before knowing that, a power 1 equals to a square equals to a into a cube equals to a into a. To get a square, what we are doing? A cube by a. For a square by a. For a power 0, a by a equals to 1. In the same way, 1 factorial equals to 1, 2 factorial equals to 2 into 1, 3 factorial equals to 3 into 2 into 1. To get the 2 factorial, what we are doing? 3 factorial by 3. To get the 1 factorial, what we are doing? 2 factorial by 2. To get the 0 factorial, 1 factorial by 1 equals to 1. It's just a mathematical convention.